Hi guys, in this video I want to talk about themes. Choosing a theme is going to be really important because a theme is basically how your online store aesthetics will look like. Okay, so basically in Shopify, when you sign up for Shopify, fortunately they have a lot of themes that you can choose from, and that's going to basically give the overall look of your website. And then all you have to do is change the titles, change the words, and then input photos. Okay, so to get to the themes, you're going to go to online store and there's a sub tab called themes. And you're going to bring you to this page here. You're going to scroll to the bottom. If you want to customize your theme, you're going to click this button. The name of the theme is this. By default, you're using the debut theme, which is a free theme, right? If you scroll to the bottom here, there's the theme library. There's free themes and then Shopify theme store. If you click free themes, it's only going to show you the free themes, right? There's about 9 of them. And you can click through them. For example, if I click this, it gives you kind of a quick look at what it would look like on your phone and also on the computer browser. And then generally themes will have 2 different versions, 2 or 3 different versions. So I could click this. So this is another kind of style of the boundless theme, right? Also, if I go, let's say I want to click on this theme, this is called the minimal theme. If I click it, you're going to see that there's 3 different versions as well. And you can kind of just look through it, right? I'm going to X out right now. But I would recommend going to the Shopify theme store. If you go here, it's going to show you both the free themes and the paid themes. While it is up to you completely whether you choose to pay for a free theme or a paid theme, my recommendation is to buy a paid theme. Generally, the themes are going to be the paid themes, the professional ones are going to be around, I don't know, like 120 to 180, but it's a one-time purchase and it's going to last forever. The reason I recommend the paid themes is because there's like, I don't know, almost 100 of different types of paid themes. There's one for every type of store, right? Ones with big pictures on the homepage, ones with lots of collections, ones for big inventories, ones for small inventories. Whereas the free themes are a little bit more limited and they don't have as many functions on the homepage of those websites. So let's go through a couple right now. So when you go to the theme page, they separate them by both collections, right? Depending on what you're trying to sell, or what kind of style you're going for. And then also industries, basically what you're trying to sell. So for example, if I'm selling, I don't know, iPhone cases, I might choose electronics. I mean, it doesn't really matter, although it says, this one is garden and this one is for food and drinks and this one's for electronics. You can really use any theme for any purpose, right? Because at the end of the day, you're going to be the one choosing the pictures once you purchase a theme or once you choose a theme. So let's say I choose electronics, and then here on the right side, you could click free. So there's one that's free, and then you could choose paid, and these are all the paid ones, right? And then when we get to the sourcing products section of this course, you'll notice that generally for new people coming to Shopify, if you're you're completely new to Shopify, you're trying to start Shopify for the very first time, I will almost always recommend those type of students to try to create single product stores or very small catalog or small inventory or very niche stores, meaning don't try to sell everything under the sun. Try to choose 1 or 2 or 3 products that you're really passionate about and then sell those. Because when you only have a few products, you can create a Shopify store faster and you can be more focused as opposed to trying to add thousands of products, which can take you months, right? So usually I'll filter by single products or small catalogs, and as you can see, there's only 2 of them. Whereas there's a bunch of medium catalogs and large catalogs. But we don't care about that because, again, if you're starting off, chances are you're going to have a small catalog or inventory and then small or a single product, meaning you only really sell one product, right? So you can choose whichever one you like. For example, this one looks kind of cool, so I'm going to click it. And then this one's $180 one-time purchase. And then you could click View Demo Store. That will actually open up what the website would actually look like. And then you really want to take your time and look through this, right? Look through it. Like here you can see a banner at the top, right? You can see an FAQ page, right? It has a pop-up so that people can subscribe. It has a contact us page. It has a blog, although I don't really use blogs, but if you want to, you can. It has a drop down with headphones, earphones, accessories, and a homepage, right? This is the homepage right here. Obviously, when you sell, you're going to switch out all these photos, right? So the photos will look different for you. And it just looks really clean. It has 3 collections, right? A collection for earphones, a collection for headphones, and a collection for accessories. Has testimonials. Maybe what you're selling requires some testimonials. It has this little cool bar right here for a photo and a big quote. Some feature products, so maybe some best-selling products you want to keep on your homepage. Our latest news, which is their blog that I was talking about earlier. Where to buy, maybe you have different physical locations. And remember, when you buy a theme, for example, this theme, maybe you like this theme, but you don't have a blog. You can remove the blog, which would basically just remove this section here, because I believe this is their blog. That's why it says continue reading. Maybe you don't have any physical locations, then you can also remove this section. It's very, very easy. Later, I think in the few videos, we're going to talk about customizing a theme or customizing your store, and you're going to see that's very easy to change themes. So, and here at the bottom, I like the paid themes because they're just more thorough. There's more detail, looks more exciting. You can see here, you can change it from US dollars to Japanese or European dollars. You can have social media links, about us, collections, theme styles, contact, all those great things. So that's what a paid theme might look like. So let's go back and look at a free theme now, just so that you can see the difference, right? So I'm going to click, I'm still under the electronics section, all right? I'm going to click free themes. I guess they don't have any. So I'm just going to go to overall collections here. I'm going to just choose trending, maybe trending this week. No, that's not. I'm going to choose, let's do clothing and fashion, right? I'm going to click free themes. And remember, even though you're not selling fashion, you can still use these themes for your store. So I'm gonna click free, and I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna do single product or small catalogs. So I'm gonna click this one, for example, right? And then I'm gonna click view demo store. So you actually have to go to the Shopify theme store to actually look at the demo stores. You can't, if you're back here and you click explore free themes, you won't be able to look at the actual demo. You can only look at this thumbnail right here. So this is the free theme. As you can see, it's obviously supposed to be simplistic, minimal, but it's almost overly simple sometimes, right? You have this button here, a drop down, about us, our belts, articles, contact, which actually that's a good amount right there. So I'm gonna exit out there. I'm gonna scroll through this, right? It has like maybe a picture, a little blurb right here, a little picture with a quote, another about us section, a picture, and then, obviously this is really minimal. And then at the bottom, it's pretty simplistic, right? There's just terms of service, privacy, refund policy, right? You could always add more. They also have social media accounts. So the free theme is not that far off from the paid theme. There's just more there's more choices for the paid themes. As you can see, when I click free themes, there's really only 9 different themes, and then each theme probably has 2 different versions, 2 or 3 different versions. So try your best with the free themes. And if you don't like it, you don't see anything you like, then just go to the paid themes. It's really up to you. But I just wanted to point out that once you choose the theme, for example, if let's say I like this one, it's called Venture, and maybe I choose the third one, I'm going to click add to theme library. So Venture, add to theme library. Then it's going to pop up right here, right? And you can let's add another one. Say I like Simple. This one's called the Simple theme, and I like the one that's called Toy. And I'll add that to my theme library as well. So now I have 2 of them, right? And it's gonna take a little bit while. And then you can go into the Venture theme, right? And you can, you can customize it by clicking this button. I don't wanna do it right now because I have another video that's gonna teach you how to customize it. But once you customize it, after you customize it, you can then publish it to your actual store, so that when someone visits your store, they'll see it. The reason you want to customize it first is, let's say you already have a store that's currently running. You don't want to edit it while it's live, and other people, your customers, might come to your store and things are distorted. You want to customize it and then publish it after, so that all the edits happen at once, right? It won't matter right now because you don't have a live store, but let's say you did have a live store, then that would come into play. Or you can customize 2 different themes, right? And then switch between them whenever you want, for the most part. But I would choose one that you really like and then kind of stick with it. All right, guys, I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next video.